tutorial, we will see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, alphabets are aligned in left side. The number of alphabets are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. These alphabets are appended with a single space character. So let's see code to print this pattern. We have already seen how to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal. Now in this pattern, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern character 64 plus a plus 1. So run the file in the terminal triangle.py. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet right angle triangle pattern.